Welcome to the FOTRIC TD2e. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of the device and walk you through the basic operations so you can get started with inspections right away. On the back of the device, you'll find the microphone array, the digital camera, and the LED light. The bottom features a standard 1-4-inch threaded mount for attaching a tripod or other mounting accessories. The capture button is built into the handle, making one-handed operation quick and convenient. At the top of the device is the USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Next to it is the micro SD card slot for expandable data storage. On the front, you'll find the touchscreen and function buttons. Press and hold the power button to turn the device on or off. Press it briefly to put the screen to sleep or wake it up. Press the gallery button to view saved images and inspection data. This is the LED fill light button. It provides extra illumination for inspections in low light conditions. The freeze button locks the current image. Once the image is frozen, press the capture button to save it. Press the back button to exit freeze mode and continue your inspection. The FOTRIC TD2e features a removable battery. Simply pinch the triangular tabs at the bottom of the battery to quickly remove and replace it. Now let's take a look at the main features. On the right side of the screen, you can adjust the acoustic frequency range. You can drag either the upper or lower frequency limit individually, or move both together to quickly adjust the detection band. Open the menu to access additional functions. The first option is sound source mode. Single source locks onto one sound source. Multiple sources tracks 2 to 3 sound sources simultaneously. All sources displays all detectable sound sources within the scene. The second option is detection mode. Noise suppression mode suppresses background noise, making it easier to identify target sound sources in noisy environments. Micro detection mode increases the imager's sensitivity to weak ultrasonic signals, making it ideal for applications such as detecting small leaks. The third option is frequency information. Threshold mode displays the current detection band. Peak mode shows the frequency with the highest sound pressure level within the selected range. The fourth option is system settings. Here you can adjust general settings such as screen brightness, auto screen timeout, and other system preferences. That concludes the basic operation of the FOTRIC TD2e. Thanks for watching.